Today, Ms. Castleberry and myself will be sharing our data overview for Woodstock High School for the years 2012 through 2015. There are 5 purposes of the data overview. 1 is to report data as it's collected at Woodstock High School. 2, to go visual with the data in order to identify and analyze trends. 3, to describe the visual representations of the data. 4, to help teachers dig into the data to help identify learning gaps. And 5th, to compare school, district, and state scores. Woodstock High School, as we know, is a public high school, grades 9 through 12, located in Woodstock, Georgia, in Cherokee County. As of 2014 to 2015, Woodstock High School had 2,108 students enrolled. If you look to the left, you'll see that the enrollment by grade and gender are indicated on that page. We have with our 9th graders 363 males, 329 females, with a total of 692. That is our largest class. Our smallest class would be our 12th graders, males 200, females 174, with a total of 374. We might ask ourselves why. Why is there such a decrease between 9th graders and 12th graders in enrollment? Our 5-year enrollment data indicates that there has been a flux from 2010 to the present due to the opening of the River Ridge High School. Enrollment dipped in 2011 to 2012 and 2012 to 2013. Enrollment has been climbing again. 2014 and 2015 showed the highest enrollment in 5 years. Demographics, 2014-2015 at Woodstock. Enrollment, white Caucasian students make up 69.4% of the population. Hispanic Latino students make up 13.4% of the population. Black African American students make up 11% of the population. Asian students make up 2.6% of the population. And Indian and multiracial students make up the remaining 3.6% of the population. Free and reduced lunch data is used to identify low socioeconomic status. And we have 36% of our 9th graders on free and reduced lunch, 26% of 10th graders, 23.1% of 11th graders, and 21.9% of 12th graders. The overall percentage of students that qualify for free and reduced lunch at Woodstock High School is 28%. Types of faculty and staff members are shown by position and subject area. They're also shown by number and gender. We have 5 administrators, 2 male, 3 females. We have 4 counselors, 2 male, 2 females. 8 PE coaches, 6 fine arts instructors, 11 CTAE instructors, 8 foreign language instructors, 19 special education, 18 math, 16 science, 14 social studies, 15 English, and 2 media specialists. The bulk of the faculty population's years of experience lies between 6 and 20 years. Most of the faculty at Woodstock High School hold master's degrees or higher. As of 2014 and 2015, 4 teachers at Woodstock High School hold a certification level T7 of doctorate. Faculty endorsements. A little less than half of the faculty at Woodstock High School hold gifted certification. ESOL certification accounts for only 7 faculty members. Reading certification accounts for only 8 faculty members. Teach 21 technology endorsement is now extinct, so no new teachers are participating. ACT scores. Cherokee County, we had 22.6, Nation 21, and Georgia 20.8. Woodstock High School's ACT scores are equal to the county and above the national and state average. And this is with our N equaling about 100 students per year. And we've seen, according to the data, we've seen an increase over the years from 2009 to 2013. SAT scores. Woodstock High School consistently scores better than the state total SAT scores. Woodstock High School scores are above the national total SAT scores. Cherokee County's was 1,563, nation 1,497, Georgia 1,445. In this, we've seen a slight decrease from 2012 to 2013 in our SAT scores. That would also be something we might want to think about. EOCT scores. Woodstock High School EOCT scores. This is from 2010 to 2014. Woodstock High School often scores above the district's percentile rank, consistently scores above the state's percentile rank, and the scores are grade conversions for the matching course. N equals a number about equal to enrollment for EOCT assessments. And as you can see, we do stay where we can, close to the state. But some of the drops in some of the subjects would be things that we would need to consider when we're going visual. AP tests. The number of students taking the AP exams in various subjects has increased steadily from 2010 to 2015. More AP class offerings have increased this number year to year. N is equal and indicated on the graph for each year. So in 2014, we had 617 students tests taken, which was an increase, and it steadily has increased from 2010 to 2014. AP scores. Woodstock High School has consistently been above on total AP scores 3, 4, or 5, with Etowah being the closest to us. They beat the county as well as the other schools in the district. And as you can see, we offer many scores. One subject we might want to look at as and think about, or something, the physics C AP exam seems to be one that students have dropped significantly from the year before score-wise, and we would need to consider why that would be, as well as the world history. Were there changes to the exam? Something we would need to consider. Strengths. Woodstock High School consistently scores higher than the district, state, and national averages on most assessments. SAT scores are above the state and national scores. EOCT scores in most areas were well above proficient. Weaknesses. EOCT scores in GPS coordinate algebra for 2000 and 2014 were well below proficient. For our ticket out the door, I'd like you to do a think, pair, share. With a neighbor, make a concluding statement that sums up the data overview. List your overall impressions and collaborate on one idea to help other faculty members become more involved in the data process.